I almost subscribed to Synthesia after watching a 2-minute demo. It looked ridiculously simple. Type your script. Choose an AI avatar, click generate. A few minutes later, you have a professional looking video without touching a camera. Honestly, it felt like the future, but after using Synthesia for real projects, I realized there's something most reviews never mention. The biggest feature isn't the AI avatars, it's consistency. I tested it for product explainers, training videos, and business presentations. Every time, the avatar delivered the script the same way. No bad camera days, no background noise, no reshoots. If you've ever recorded 10 takes just because you stumbled over one sentence, you'll understand why that's valuable. But here's where people get the wrong idea. Synthesia isn't designed to replace YouTubers. It's designed to replace repetitive business videos. Employee onboarding, product tutorials, sales presentations, internal training, client demos. That's where it makes the most sense. Now here's what nobody tells you before buying. The script matters more than the avatar. I tested a weak script with a premium avatar and the video still felt boring. Then I rewrote the script with a stronger hook and clearer message. Same avatar. Much better result. That taught me something. AI can deliver your message. It can't create a great message for you. That's still your responsibility. I also noticed that if you're expecting human emotion, you'll probably be disappointed. The avatars are impressive, but they're not real people. For educational content and business communication, that's usually fine. For emotional storytelling, not so much. So, who should actually buy Synthesia? Business owners creating training videos, freelancers delivering client presentations, agencies producing explainers, startup founders building product demos. Those users will probably save dozens of hours every month. After testing it, here's my honest opinion. Don't buy Synthesia because you want an AI person. Buy it because you want a faster way to create professional business videos. That's the real value. It won't replace your creativity. It won't replace great storytelling, but it can absolutely replace hours of recording and editing. And honestly, that's the part nobody tells you before buying. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.